Alright, got an '09 Dodge Journey here, and I'm changing the expansion plugs in the front of the head. Where is that? I can't even see it there. Right there, behind this timing cog. So to change those plugs out, also known as frost plugs or freeze plugs, you have to take this actual timing case cover off the front of the engine. And this is a gasket that goes where the water pump, this is on between the block and the timing case, these gaskets here. So in order to get in there to clean that up, you have to take this case off as well. However, if you're into it to change these frost plugs out, you're going to run into an issue here. And mechanics will already know this, but this is for the people that don't know. That these bolts, these cam bolts, you can't get them out with that cover on and with the head on. So if you're taking the head off for a head gasket, that's no problem. But when you're doing just to take this cover off to get at these freeze plugs, you need to get this long bolt out, and this is what goes through the cam. So what you do on the back of the engine, well, yeah, the back on the right side, there's a plate, and you'll see the camshaft has been pulled back. So you take this 3-hole plate off. It actually has instructions and everything on it. This side up, you can't mess it up. This side out, and take the rockers off, valve cover, rockers, and take this plate off and pull the camshaft back after you loosen that big long bolt. And like you saw, you can put that bolt back, you can pull that bolt back out. And that allows you to get this case off, because this is the hole you're talking about. With that bolt in there, in that camshaft, as you can see how far it sticks out, you're just not going to get it out. You can't cut it off because you need it. So a little tip there, anybody that runs into this that needs to take that inner timing case cover off, this thing right here, you can pull that camshaft back. And just go easy, don't go pulling and tugging on it, just slide it out easily and make sure you don't damage the bearings that are in there or the wear surfaces. And that's it. And if you're doing just the frost plugs like I am, right here, that's what you'll have to get that off. So I'm going to do both while I have it off so I don't have to do it again. That's my little tip on that, and like I said, this is no big shocker to anybody that's a mechanic that has worked on those. But there could be someone at home thinking, well, what do I do now? That big long bolt, there's just no way. And some people might be tempted to cut the shock tower out, and strut tower rather. And you don't need to. Just take the valve cover off, the rocker shaft, arms, pull the cam back gently, and that'll give you enough room to get that bolt out, that big long bolt. This guy right here. And then you'll get at those freeze plugs. So I'll show you the freeze plug that come out of it. And from this side it looks pretty darn good. But one of these spots right here, where is it? Right there. It's like a little, like someone took a grinder to it and ground a cup out of it. Now I haven't taken the other one out yet to see if they're both the same, but if you have corrosion in your engine, you're probably going to run into this. So that's it. Just to help someone out, I'm going to move ahead and get this one out now, changing both, because when you're in there you may as well do both. These plugs are 1.25 inches. And if you can find metric ones, fine, but it's still 1.25 inches, even if it's metric. And to put the rocker shafts back on, once you get the cam back in, don't forget to torque those rocker shaft bolts down to 20 foot-pounds. Don't forget to do that. You don't want to have to go back in there again. All right, that's my little tip. Hope that helps someone out there. Ooh, the glare on that phone. Anyway, take care, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. Well, hopefully see you in that one.